Hi all, welcome to Heights to Five. Hi, everybody prefers simple calculation methods. In previous class, we discussed how to simplify addition, subtraction and multiplication methods. Today we are discussing about how to easily find square and square roots of numbers. How to easily find square and square roots of numbers. Okay, let's go to the problem. 34 square. Our traditional method is 34 into 34. And I am telling a method, usually everybody knows, that is 30 square plus 4 square. That is, we know what is 30 square. 900 plus 4, 16. So 916. Okay, so when we get 34, we will split it into two components. That is in 10th form. 30 plus 4. 30 square, we know it as 900, and the 4 it is 16. Next question, 47. What is 40 plus 40 square plus 7 square? So 1600 plus 49. 1649. Okay. Next, 69. 3600 plus 81. So 3681. This is comparatively simple than our traditional method. Next one, 128. 14400 plus 64, which is equal to 14464. Okay, this is a method to find squares of a number. Next we are going to square roots. Okay, let's go to an example. Square root of 1369. Okay, 1369. Okay, before that we have to know square is equal to 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, and 10 square is equal to 100. We know this squares of these numbers. Then our bigger number 1369. Here the last digit is 9. Okay, here the last digit is 9. So which number generates 9 as the square? 9 as the square. So here two cases, 3 and 7. So we take this 3 and 7 here. So our number or square root of this number will ends in either 3 or 7. Okay, let's avoid this last two digits. Okay, then go to the value 13. First two digits 13. We eliminate the last two digits and then go to the first two digits. What is the perfect square root which lies within this number? That is 3. 3 is within the limit 13. 3 is less than 13. 3 square less than 39, less than 13. Okay, but next case 4. 4 square is greater. 4 square means 16, which is greater than 13. So we can't take 4, take 3, because 3 square is less than 13. Okay, we can't take 4 because 4 square is greater than 13. Then 3 into the next number 4, which is equal to 4, is equal to 12. And this value, the multiplied value is less than 13, is less than. So 3 square is less than 13. So we take the 3, we take this 3, and the 3 into 4 is equal to 12, which is less than 13. This is less than 13, that is 12. 13 is higher than 12. So we have to take the value, higher value 7, 37. Once again, we take the last digit 9 and check the list which number results ends in 9. That is 3 answer. 7. So we take 307. Then checks the first two numbers. We find out the square root or square of a number which is less than this value, that is 3, and 3 into that value plus 1. 4 is equal to 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Then compare that number with the starting number which is less than. So this value is higher, so we have to take the higher value here. Okay, let's go to another problem to find out the answer. 3136. Here the last digit is 6. So check 6. These are the two numbers which ends in 6. So 4 or 6. Okay, then go to the first two numbers. 31. The perfect square which lies within this number is 5. When we take 6, it is 36, which is greater than that. So we have to take 5. 5 into 6 is equal to 30. Which one is larger? This is larger. So we have to take the larger number. So 5 is the first value and the 6 is the, because 30 is less than 31. So 31 is higher. So we have to take the larger value, 56. Okay, next again, let's go to the next number. 6889, square root of 6889, 9. Which numbers ends in 9? 307. Then let's take the first two numbers. 68, then the square root lies within that value is 8 square, which is equal to 64. Okay, 64, 8 into 9 is equal to 73. Here 68 is less than 73. So first digit is 8 because the perfect square root lies within that value is 8, and we have to choose 307, which one is the last digit. Here we are checking the condition. 68, the first two digits is less than the square number, so we have to take the lesser value. Okay, next 1024 square root 24, which values ends in 4, 2 and 8. So 4 and 2 square, 4, 8 square, 64. So these two numbers ends in 4. Then take the first two digits. The number takes 10. Below 10, 3 square, which is equal to 9. Okay, 9 is less than 10. Sorry, 3 into 4, which is equal to 12. 12 greater than 10. So we have to take the lesser value. That is actually the value 3, and the lesser value is 2, 32. So today we discussed about how to find out square and square roots in simple steps. First, we divide a number into two components and take square and easily add that. To take square root of numbers, we take the last digit and check which number ends in squares in this number. We take that number and eliminate those last two numbers. Then check the first two numbers or the beginning numbers. Then check which number lies within which squares lies within that number. Then that number into next number. Okay, check whether it is greater than or less than. That condition will help us to select this two value, any of this two value. Okay. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and share for new videos.